Hello and welcome to my series on data science plain and simple with the use of Python tools and packages. In this series, I want to show you how to do data science in Python. But first, I want to talk to you a little bit about what data science is and kind of demystify just this ominous thing of data science because it's talked about everywhere, it's being used everywhere. Maybe incorrectly, who knows, but you've probably heard of it, and I'm here to kind of break it down on a very simple level and help you implement it in your work or in your life or whatever you want to do with data science. I'm going to teach you a little bit of code and what packages you can use to implement that code. But first, let's talk about data science. Data science, what is it? Simple definition, it's the use of data to discover insight. So we have these three little Venn diagram. It's a Venn diagram here with these three areas, discipline areas. So programming is one, and that's kind of what gets a lot of the focus in data science, but it's used. You need some business expertise in order to apply that programming to, and the central thing behind it all that's powering these algorithms, all this data science, quote unquote, is just math. What is math? It's addition, multiplication, division, subtraction. That's it. And it's using those simple operators and applying it to that business expertise through some type of programming. And data science is this beautiful thing right in the middle here. So right now it's a core function to business and scientific research, and there's a huge demand for it. You just go on Google News, type in data science, you'll see 10 articles that were published today from well-known resources. So let's look at some other main tools for data science. So you've probably used Excel. It's the most common business tool out there. And you can do data science in Excel because what data science is math pretty much. And Excel is a great sophisticated calculator. So you can do data science in Excel. What's gaining traction and popularity right now are these new GUI interface tools, mainly Power BI and Tableau. You can aggregate, visualize data very easily in those tools, and they are great tools. I'm a huge fan of Power BI, and I use it on a daily basis. Another good programming language is DAX that works specifically for Power BI, and it's data analytic expressions is what that stands for, and you can do a lot of cool things with Power BI and DAX and Python. And this is what I'm gonna talk mostly about and show you how to implement Python, how to download packages, and how to import packages, and how to use that for data sets that you have and to gain insight from there. And then R is another programming language. It's not as popular as Python, but it is a data science language nonetheless, and it's more heavily used by science-based users or psychologists, or it's fairly easy to use, but I call it information light because just internet resources. There are great internet resources on Stack Overflow. There's a lot of great R resources, but as far as books and internet resources, Python is just a wealth of resources. So data science, plain and simple. We're going to use Python, but we're going to use it within Anaconda. So I will provide the link in the description of this video. But first and foremost, let's download Anaconda. So let's go right to it. And Anaconda is what we're going to use to run all of our code in.